Hi everyone, this is Gokhan. Today I would like to explain how you can get asymmetric returns on your normal actions. I'm gonna share my screen to explain visually. This chart shows the secret of the success of ultra successful people like Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, who start from scratch and reach to the mega billionaire status. In this chart we will seek the answer of the question, what happens in case you have increased your own performance or income by just 1% every single day? Here are a few points I want to draw your attention to. If we want to increase our income 50%, the time you need to work consistently is 41 days. So if we increase our performance or income only 1% each single day during 41 days, our income increases 50%. If we want to increase our income 100%, we need to work consistently 70 days. While we need to work 41 days in the first 50% increase, the number of the days required in the second 50% increase is 29 days, not 41 days. If we want to increase our revenue or performance 150%, the time we need to work is 93 days, not 123 days. But the result is great when we consistently increase our income or performance by at least 1% every day. Since the people who are ultra successful increase their performance in a stable way every day, after a certain point, their income is geometrical, rising as a skyrocket. Numbers don't lie. Mathematics proves that the steady effort starts to produce compounded results after 21 days. Thus, consistent linear efforts in enough time of a period pays off by getting a symmetric return. Now you may say that this is very theoretical. Those things don't work in real life, but I would like to share my own experience in this part. When I was working for Social Security institution as a Social Security inspector, I realized that I don't like the Social Security legislation. In order to get a more qualified job, I should have gotten more than 70 out of 100 in foreign language exam. I had developed a strategy to get required language score. If I had solved the last 7 years questions asked in the exam by using time limit, as if I was in the exam, in the real exam I could be able to exceed beyond 70 out of 100. I bought three different books containing last 7 years questions. Each of them had different explanations for the answers of the questions and started studying. I was trying to solve the exams in the limited time, like in the real exam. Then analyzing my mistakes, I started identifying the words that I don't know and repeated every day to increase my vocabulary. 1 month left to the exam, but I couldn't exceed 70 points. I decided to take a consultancy from one of my friends who already got more than 80 in the real exam. I showed all the questions that I couldn't solve correctly. And until the real exam, I only passed 70 points once, but I applied my strategy and my plan strictly until the exam day. On the day of the exam came, I did my best. I was waiting for the exam results. I couldn't believe my eyes. My score was 81. Although I had exceeded 70 points only one time in 4 months consistent study time, in real exam I got 81. Thus, your stable and consistent efforts pay off by getting asymmetric results even you can't expect. I will give another example in my experience. When I started to work as a realtor, I was making 3 feasible interviews. Feasible means for sale by owner. Each single day, 6 days in a week. But at the first 3 months, I didn't make any transaction. Then I started with rentals, but I kept my callings consistently. Each single day I made 3 feasible conversations. At 8th month, I closed 4 transactions, 1 sale, and 3 rentals as a dual agent. As a result, consistent work pays off by getting asymmetric returns. As a result, if you would like to be successful in your business, you should be consistent in the long run. And if you would like to launch your own business, one of the easiest way to start your business is launching your own consulting or coaching business. Because you can sell your expertise or knowledge to the people who needs to that. Because of that, online coaching or consulting is so popular online entrepreneurship models right now. If you would like to launch your own consulting or coaching business, you can book your free strategy call with me and you can join us our free Facebook group. See you in another video.